Are you ready to make some changes? Yeah, I was too. So let's do it. Grab your iPad, take some notes. I've got 3 steps for you. Changing a limiting belief is not about motivation. I've had business coaches before, and that's all they did was motivate and cheer me on and give me homework, but not the steps how to do it. That's not it. That's not how you fix it. How you solve a limiting belief takes strategy, it takes awareness, and it takes replacement. So I'm going to give you 3 steps that will actually work. The first one is identify the belief by naming the fear. It might take you a little while to figure out the fear, but I can help you there too. So every limiting belief is attached to a core fear. Ask yourself, what am I afraid will happen if I take the next step? And be honest with yourself. Your honest answer is going to expose your belief. So for example, this came from one of my clients I was mentoring yesterday. If I hire somebody, they're going to rely too much on me. So the belief is I can't lead a team. The fear, if I raise my prices, clients will walk away. This was mine for years. The belief, I'm not valuable enough. Another fear, if I grow, everything will fall apart. That was me too. The belief was I'm not capable of managing success. Look at me now. Awareness is the first step of breaking the cycle. Okay? The second is challenge the belief with evidence. This is where movement starts to happen. So limited beliefs feel powerful, but rarely survive logic. Ask yourself these 3 questions. I think I have 3. Is this belief based on facts or fear? Where did this belief come from? Is it still true today, or is it a story from an older version of me? That was mine. Yeah, I was stuck. Most limiting beliefs collapse when you realize they're rooted in old seasons, old environments, old experiences that no longer match who you are today. Okay? And here's the 3rd one. Replace the belief with a new strategic truth. Has to be strategic. You don't break a belief by ignoring it. You can't. You replace it with a stronger one. So you've got to convince yourself. This is where you create a new narrative that's rooted in evidence and intention. So take that old belief of the first one was I can't lead a team, and replace it with the right structure and support, I can build a team that uplifts me. Our second one was pricing. No one will pay my higher prices. So I want you to hear this, because this was true. The right clients invest in value, not bargain. We even rebranded and changed our name. The old belief, so I'm not ready. You are. Change it to I'm learning, growing, and taking the next aligned step. Your brain will always believe the story you repeat most, so start repeating it. Make sure the new story is stronger than the old one. Limited beliefs aren't flaws. They're just stories that you have outgrown. And the moment you recognize them, challenge them, and replace them, 3 steps, your decisions change, your confidence changes, your business changes, and your future, honey, it expands. You cannot lead a new level of business with old beliefs. But you can rewrite those beliefs, and when you do, everything opens up. Everything. I also have a friend who's an Enneagram coach that teaches on this, so if you want more help, you let me know.